Hi guys, this is Rishabh Kapoor from websofttutorials.com. Guys, in this video I will show you that how can you make a page template. Means what kind of layout you want to give to your page. Guys, you can see right now it is showing current posts on the front page. Means right now index.php file is activated. Means it is showing the content with the help of this index.php file. So for that, firstly we need to go to settings and reading. Means we will make a page as our home page. Right now it is showing current posts. You can see your latest post. Means if you want to display the latest post on the front page, you need to select this option and it will display the posts with the help of this index.php file. So we will change it to a static page. So for that, firstly I will go to pages and I will create a new page. And you can see we have just two pages, a sample page and a services page. So I will click on trash and I will remove this page from here, and I will click on add new and I will write home. I will create a new page, home page, and publish it. Now guys, I will go to the menus. You will see home. You can see custom, means it is a custom menu. So we will remove this one. Remove. I will also remove this sample page, and this is our home page. So you can add it again if you want. So you can see pages. I'll click home and then add to menu, and now this is a page. Now we will go to settings and reading, and we will set this home page as our front page. So a static page, home. And if you want to set a blog page, means if you want to display a post on some page, suppose firstly I'll click on save changes and then I will show you what I'm talking about. So I'll refresh this. You can see home, because now guys, this page.php is activated. Means guys, in my previous tutorials I will show you that I have already told you that page.php is used to display a single page. Means what kind of layout you want to give to a single page. In the same way, single.php is used to display single post. Means what kind of layout or how you want to display your single post. So now page.php is activated because we have made homepage as a front page. Now guys, if I want to show some posts on my sample page, means services page. So I will click on post page as services and I'll refresh it. So this is our home page where the content of home will come, and if I click on services, you will see the posts will show on the services page. So instead of using this services, you can make a blog and you can display the means you can create a blog page and you can display your post on a blog page. Right now it's services. You can create a blog name, you can give the name of the page to blog page. Now guys, if I'll go to home page, add it, you can see there is no option. Means there is no option that where you can select your layout. Means what kind of layout you want to give to your page. Guys, in some themes you will see that here is the option from where you can select that what kind of layout you want to give to your page. Means you want to add a left sidebar to your page, you want to add right sidebar to your page, or you want to add both sidebars, or you want a full width page without any sidebar. So for that guys, you need to create page templates from where you can select the layout of a single page. Means suppose if you want to add a right sidebar to home page, you can select a right sidebar template. If you want to add both sidebars to services page or any other page, you can select both sidebar template. So we will create in this tutorial. You can read about page templates here. You can see select theme file should include a default page template. Means it is it is telling us that page.php is a default page for displaying a simple single page. Sorry, your theme may also have one or more custom page templates. This was the thing which I was talking about, that you can create more templates. So for that, we will go to our theme and I will create a new folder and I will give it name of templates, and I'll open it and I'll create a new file here. So I'll copy this page.php file and I will paste it here, and I will give it a name of left. I'll give it name of left sidebar.php, not left.php, left sidebar.php, and I will open this file and I'll remove all of this code. And guys, if you will go to this page, it will tell you that how can you create a page template. What do you need to do? You need to write this code in the comment section. So after the firstly I'll open this is left sidebar.php, so I need to write something in the comments. So you can see you need to write template name here. So you will write template name, and then after that you need to give the name of the template, which will display it on the page on the admin section. So I'll write left sidebar. Now I will go to the page and refresh it. You will see a new option there, write template, from where you can select the template, which template you want to use. You can see first option is default template. The default template option is coming from this page.php, means how you have set your page.php. Means if you have set a right sidebar, then the right default template will show the right sidebar. If you set the left sidebar in the page.php, it will display the left sidebar. Now we can override this. So in the left sidebar we will add a left sidebar. So I'll create one more template and I'll copy it and paste it, and I will give it name of right sidebar dot php, and I will give it name of right sidebar, and I'll create one more file and I will give it name of both sidebars.php, and again I will change its name to both sidebars. It's sidebar, not sidebar. And I'll create one more and I will give it name of no sidebar.php, and I'll give it again name of full width. Guys, whatever name you will type here, it will display on the page on the admin section. So I'll reload this page again and you will see more options here. Now you will see both sidebars. Means if you want to display the both sidebars on the page, you can select this option. If you want to select full width, means sidebar, you can select this option. If you want left sidebar or right sidebar, you can select these options. Or if you want to display the default template, you can select this option. Now guys, firstly we will work with the left sidebar page. Means if you will work with one template, you will understand that how it will work. So instead of using this, firstly I'll open the style.css file. So you can see body content, and what I will do, I will write body content and I'll give it a different name to left sidebar underscore template, and again I'll change its name here, and I'll go to style.css file and I will set its CSS. So its side is left sidebar template, and so I'll clear both if there is any floating point, and I'll give it width of 100%. I'll go to browser and refresh it. Means I need to select left sidebar from here as well. So the left side. Now the left sidebar is our current template. Guys, if I refresh this, you will see nothing will be displayed here, because we haven't written any code here. Means we need to write the same code to display the post. So that's why I was telling you in my previous tutorial that you need to focus on this code, PHP code, which I am writing in this tutorial series. Means you can change the CSS of a template or a theme, but you can't change the code of WordPress. So left sidebar template, and I'll give it again left sidebar, end of left sidebar, and now I'll set its CSS. I'll set float to left and width of 25% to the left sidebar, and I'll give it a border 1 pixel solid CCC, or I'll give it border right of 1 pixel. I'll close these other files. I'll write some dummy content here, you can see, and in the same way I'll create one more div for left or I write content. I'll give it with name of left sidebar content area. I know it's a very big name, but you can give any other name if you want. End of left sidebar content area, and I'll write hi, and now I will open style.css file, and I will set its CSS left sidebar content area. Left sidebar content area, and I'll give it width of 70% and margin left of 5%, and I'll set float to left, and I'll write something here. Refresh, so you can see it is displaying right border on the right side. And what I will do, I will, instead of setting margin left to 5%, I will 2 pixel, and I'll give padding left to 2%. So you will see. So guys, you can see that margin top is not working properly. So for that we will go to style.css file, and we'll set it to float to left, this left sidebar template, and I'll refresh it, and now you can see it is working properly. Now guys, you can see this is our left column and this is our right column. In the left column we will add a widget, means we will add the sidebar, and in the right column we will add the content of the page. So for that, what we need to do, guys, in our previous tutorial we have created two sidebars. One is right sidebar and second is left sidebar. What we need to do, we need to refer this sidebar on the left section, as we did in our previous tutorial with the right sidebar. So I'll just copy this and paste it, and I will change its name as well. So instead of right sidebar we will use left sidebar. Now I'll go to browser and refresh it. You will see it's working. So I have added two widgets here. You can add as many as widgets, it's according to your choice. So I'll add meta, and I'll reload it again. Now you can see it depends upon your choice that how much widgets you want to add here. Guys, I'm again telling you that you need to set its CSS as well, because I'm not going for the code in this tutorial series. I will just focus on the uh, WordPress or PHP code. So now guys we will add the code here from our page.php file, because we need to display the content here. So I will just copy this code, whole code, and I will paste it here, and I will remove these div tags. So you can make more div tags as according to your choice, and you can give means give them styling, means you can set their styling. So I'll remove it, I'll remove it, and I'll as well. So now this is the code, and I'll remove this as well. We have just this PHP code here. So I'll refresh it. You will see home. I will add some content to this page. So I'll update it. You can see left sidebar is selected on which page we are working. So you can see, so guys, you can see it is not displaying it properly. For that, I think we need to go to style.css file, and I forgot to add semicolon at the end. If I refresh it, it is not displaying it properly. So I think we need to uh, make it width to 65%. Now you can see it is working properly, and I will padding left to 1 pixels and margin left to 4 pixels. So you can see now guys, you can set its styling. It depends upon your choice, as I told you before. And now you can see our left sidebar template is ready, means you can see the sidebar is on the left side and the content is on the right side. So if you select default template, which is page.php, where we have added a right sidebar, so if I'll refresh it, you will see it will come on the right side. So if I'll select left sidebar, update it, you can see now guys our left sidebar template is completed. Now we will work with some other template. So we'll go to templates, and I will work with right sidebar, and I will open it. And for right sidebar, I don't need to do so much thing, because it is already our page.php default template. So I will just uh, copy this code from page.php file, and I will paste it here, because we have already set our right sidebar in our default template. This option is only for other users who are using your theme to select right sidebar, means it will give the idea to them that it is a right sidebar template. So if I'll update it, refresh it, you will see it is on the right side now. If I'll select left sidebar, update it, now it will come to the left sidebar. Now guys, we will work with full width template. So I'll close this, and I'll open no sidebar, means it's a full width template. So what I need to do, I just need to copy this code and paste it here, because I don't want any kind of sidebar there. So again, I will reload this page, and I will select full width, update it, and go to browser and refresh. You will see here is no sidebar here, no left sidebar, no right sidebar. So you can set its CSS, whether you want to give any new div tags, you can set it, and means it depends upon your choice. Now guys, we will work with both sidebars, means if you want to display both sidebars on a template. So I'll close it, and I will open both sidebars. Firstly, I need to set its CSS, so I'll write both sidebars. wrapper or template, whatever means whatever name you want to give to this div, it depends upon your choice. Now I'll go to style.css file and I will set its styling or clear both float left margin top to 10 pixels and width to 100%. Means we will create 3 columns here in this template. So I'll select both sidebars so that we will able to check it. So I will reload it. No code is here, so that's why it is not displaying anything. You can see. Now I will create 2 div tags here, one for the left sidebar, second for the right sidebar, and third for the content area, which will come at the middle. So I'll write div id of left bar and of left bar and div id of middle area and right and of middle area, and last is right bar. Right bar. You can see left bar, middle area, and the right bar. So left bar is for the left sidebar, middle area is for the middle content, and right bar is for the right sidebar. So I'll go to style.css and I will set the style of left bar first. Get to float to left, width to I'll give it width to 25%, and border right 1 pixel solid CCC. And in the same way I'll set the CSS for right bar and float left, and in the same way I'll set the CSS of this middle area. And I'll give it to width of 44%, and I'll give it margin, I'll give it margin right left to 2%, and I'll give it margin left to 2%, and I'll give it border right to middle area. So I'll refresh it. You can see, oops, you can see here is a syntax error here, so I'll correct it. I'll add one more hyphen here and I'll refresh it. So I'll add some dummy content here like left, middle, and right, and I'll reload this page. So you can see, guys, you can see I have made some changes. I have applied this border left right to this and margin left to this. Means you can adjust your CSS according to your requirement. Now guys, you can see we have 3 columns. So in the next in the left column we will add the left sidebar, in the right column we will add the right sidebar, and then in the middle we will just add the content. So again, as same as previous tutorial, I will copy this and I'll add it on the left, and for the right sidebar I'll enter right, means because we have already created right sidebar in our functions.php file. You can see. Now guys, in the middle we will add our content. So I will just copy this content from here and I will paste it here. So go to browser and refresh it. You can see now it is this page has both sidebars. So if you want to select a different layout, like if you want to select full width, so full width template will be applied and there will be no sidebar. So in the same way, if you want to change something for some other pages. So in the same way you can do it for some other pages as well. If I want to select right sidebar, update it, refresh, you can see now guys, you can see it is working perfectly. So guys, in the next video we will set the layout of post pages. So guys, if you still have any question, you can go to my description forum or you can leave a comment below. So thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get recent updates about my videos. Let's see in the next tutorial.